Hello everybody, this is Ryan Kloss from Shoebox Opera. If you're new to our channel, we take classical styles of music and we stage it on our itty bitty tiny stage right here that's pocket sized. Today I'm going to give you a little bit of a behind the scenes. We're going to make this image here that says, "Meet our new canary friend, hugs and kisses." So what you're going to want to do is open up Davinci Resolve. At least that's what we do. We use Davinci Resolve and we love it. We're going to go into the edit page where we've got a couple of clips that we've got of some local birds in the neighborhood. I don't exactly know what kind of birds they are, but if you're better at birds than I am and you know what it is, please tell me down below in the comments what kind of bird it really is. I think it's a finch. The first thing we're going to do is take that into the color page. We're going to outline it. Right click over here by the node area. We're going to add an alpha output, connect the blue to the blue. And that is going to give us a whole transparent background. Now we have just the isolated bird. Left click over here, get rid of our dots, soften up those edges a little bit and make it something believable. Go over here to our media pool. We're going to take a nice image of our tiny stage 1, overlay that bird, put it right on top. But now the bird's too small. We're going to zoom in, move it around, adjust a little bit. Size and scale. We're going to slap an adjustment on top. We're going to add the adjustment clip on top, and that's great because anything that sits underneath it has those same adjustments. So if you want to zoom in, you want to move it to the left, you want to move it to the right, it's great. One-stop shop. Once we get at the right spot, we're going to take our bird, bring it out, move it over to the color page. We're going to adjust it to something that's a little bit more, canary colored. Once we're convinced that it's a canary color, move it all back together. But now we've got to key out the background of our stage. Go over to the effects. I use the 3D keyer more often than not. Get rid of the effects. You're going to click the little picker. But before you do that, make sure you go to the left-hand side, select the effects overlay. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to see anything. Take our little picker, select the green there. We're going to mess with it. Make sure it's nice and good. Now we're going to add a text, basic title. We're going to type in, "Meet our new canary friend, hugs and kisses, hugs and kisses. XOXO brazos y besos." Make sure it's all good and centered. Move it into frame. And there you go. Now we're just going to go to the color page, grab a still, export that still, and we're good to go. Like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much, everybody, for our first behind-the-scenes sneak peek into what we do.